We're now on the island of Siargao, staying in the hostel Hang Loose.
Hang Loose?
Yeah, whoever made the name of this hostel was a G. Tonight we're going to go out and find some proper food and see what £5 will get us. And if you can't tell, I'm keeping my voice down because there's just people the other side of this door and it's very close in here. Bruv.
That's awful.
That's staying in the vid. Quick stop on the route. Yeah, boy.
You have a bottle opener?
Sure.
Oh, thank you.
Cheers. Siargao flavoured apple. Bit different, and I actually quite like it. Yeah, pretty much just apple juice, like with booze.
It's like cider, isn't it?
Apple juice on crack. Right.
Wow.
We're on the street in General Luna. Behind me here, there's a little guy serving some street food, so we're gonna go check that out.
Woo-woo. Hey, bro.
Life is like a motherfucking dream. Feel my
I don't know if I'm gonna regret this, but this was 30 peso. It's a pork skewer.
And you asked for it to be spicy.
Yeah, I put some spices on it.
Oh god, I bet that's gonna be spicy as anything, mate. What's it saying?
It's not spicy. Really good though, but all the salt dripping on my fingers and it's boiling.
Oh.
But it's like
All over the white shirt. 1-0.
Sticky.
Won't be the only thing sticky tonight. Hang loose. Oh, that's awful. Oh. Hello. Game. Extra little purchase, not part of Ben's budget, but Red Bull, which is a Filipino one, 60 pesos. So I need this energy. Cheers everybody, to many more.
bills, nigga, yeah, moving bricks. Fucking on this dot in that bitch of red.
I think that's how you say it. Siargao rice, 60 peso.
Is it pork?
It's a beef.
Beef.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. That was quick.
That was very quick. Let's just add it all.
Yeah, put the bitch on.
I'm gonna need another drink after this.
I like your thinking.
For this price though.
A couple of those a day, you're laughing. Not really, but you could technically survive on just that a day. These gents have been very kind and they've gifted Ben the soup to try as well.
Free soup. I don't actually know what it is.
Spicy?
That was boiling hot.
Oh god.
What is in this? Beef. Okay, thank you. The only problem on the island, it rains now and again. So when it does, you have to quickly duck for cover.
Life is like a motherfucking dream.
I don't know really what's going on. We're sitting here at the side of the road. I'm still trying to eat this. There's some guys just going off on karaoke. They just love it here. Bruv.
Is that the fire alarm?
Yeah.
How was there a round of applause? Brother! This guy stinks! God damn! What's the name of that place, just so we never go there?
Excuse me, mate. We're gonna have 2 classic milk teas, and he's gonna have a bucko juice.
Bucko juice. Bucko.
Bucko, woo, raggy, woo.
That's awful. That's really bad.
I don't actually know what it is. Oh, it's chewy. It's
Such
chewy.
virgins, mate.
Speak for yourself.
Such virgins.
Speak for yourself. Well, it's got like chewy bits in it, so I don't really know what. It's like cereal and a drink. I instantly love it. And also because it's only 75 peso.
With this, right? This is called bucko juice. Take a sip, and it's actually incredible what it does to you.
Oh, wait, hang on, they might have that side effect on me.
It might have that effect. Oh my god, we can't keep drinking this.
Side effects of bucko juice.
We're going insane, mate. We're gonna
Right, good. Thank you.
Look at us like we're fucking weirdos, mate.
It's alright, we're mogging.
It'll be right.
So we've got a tiny little bit of the budget, we're still making it last, so we're gonna see what more we can get for £5 in the
Ben
Philippines.
has bought so much so far.
Not enough.
Word to that. God, I'm stuffed. I'm not even eating it.
Cereal and a drink is not enough. We need more. More booze! More! Bucko juice has really had an effect on him.
Hey, bro.
Can I get one apple, please? 20. Okay, I'll get 2.
Oh, thanks, mate.
Thank you.
Salamat kayo, Joe. The budget is complete, my friend. Only problem is you're 1 peso over. You failed.
In other words, because we've now failed, we've now got to use the remaining money in this, which is a little bit. Go have a good night.
I have 1 pesos
Oh,
to donate to Ben.
oh,
So
cheers.
it is officially on the money.
This is going to be treat. Ben is about to get food poisoning.
I'm gonna get food poisoning. Oh, this is
Just fucking eat it.
Bruv, it's had loads of flies on it. If I get food poisoning, you'll soon find out. This is what happened to the rest of the money from the night. We already know what the word buck is. No.